What's up YouTube? GV Trades here again, up for another day. Today's October 16, 9:20 a.m. Going into the day, we had some news at 8:30. I think we have some data highs and lows from that news. It's orange folder, so I don't really like orange folder news, but I guess we could probably target this for the day as well, maybe data lows. But usually I would target the red folder news. So we'll see how this works today. So we'll target that, data lows. Data high has been taken already, so I guess that's one of the targets for the day. Probably do green. And the usual targets, previous day high. And then previous day low right here, pretty far away. Let's see if we have some gaps you can target. No, we're still currently in this bearish 4-hour gap. So somehow, I believe if we somehow inverse this, we'll probably go to all-time highs today. But who knows? We'll see what happens. Nothing down here. I mean, you're currently in a 1-hour gap, in a 4-hour gap as well. But we still have this, we're still inside this 4-hour bearish gap. I think we're in the middle of it. No, we actually passed the CE. 1 hour, let's see what we have. Guess it's 1-hour gap. 1 hour and fill gap can be taken too. Yeah, that's the only gap I can see from the 1 hour that can be filled later on if we do go down. 30 minutes. This is a 30 minute right here. Data lows. I guess this I guess I can put this as London lows as well. Since wait, this should be red. London has been taken already, which is this one. And I guess Asia lows right here. So we do have a bunch of liquidity down here that we can take. It seems like the ones that I drew yesterday got taken off after we take that 15-minute gap. We pretty much just dumped down after 11 o'clock and then bounced back up again. So at this point I'm leaning pretty bullish right now, even though it's still in a bearish gap. It looks pretty bullish, to be honest with you. But we're actually still in a daily bearish gap as well, so we'll see how this day ends up. At this point we'll see. We're currently in a 50-minute gap right here. 50 minutes. Let's see. It's 50-minute held as well. We got a bunch of 50-minute gaps. Oh yeah, let me grab midnight open. I keep forgetting midnight open. I haven't been drawing it in the last few videos. Okay, midnight open right here. Purple, pink, whatever. Violet. Yeah, usually price tends to bounce off the midnight gap if we do go down here, but we'll see what happens. Okay, I think that's it. Go on ES. It's 4 minutes away, so we gotta get this going. Oh shit. Okay. Remove drawings. Alright, so daily. We're pretty far away from ES with the previous daily. Previous low. Let's look for, it's probably data highs and lows as well for sure. 830. Actually, the data highs hasn't been even taken, which is the yellow orange folder news. Like I said, it's not. I don't think it's a high probability. Red folder news are way better when you're targeting data highs and lows. This is right 2 o'clock. That's London lows. What color is it? Red. Then Asia lows right here somewhere. So yeah, it's a target. Look for SMTs. COC. We have an SMT somewhere? No. There are no SMTs. 4 hour. What about the daily? No. 1 hour. Well, let me look. So we had a 1 hour gap that needs to be taken. Nothing here. Yeah, I guess the 1 hour gap as well. Same thing. 1 hour. We almost SMT'd this. Yeah, I guess we'll see. Actually, oh, never mind. It's been taken already. Data highs have been taken. Yeah, that's my fault. Data lows hasn't been taken. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be taken very soon. Pre-market. Looks like ES is gonna take it first, and we could end up having an SMT from there. But it's almost market open. So we'll see. 1 more minute. Okay, let's see what we got. Actually, I forgot to check this here. Like how much we've expanded overnight. Today is October 16. Expanded about maybe a year, I guess. No, from here. About 200 something ish. Okay, that's 930. Is that 930? Yeah, 930. Yeah, we're so close to like taking this data lows right here. It's only 5 minutes. What else do we have? October 16. FOMC member. Some targets higher. Oh yeah, wait 1 sec. Can actually target this 1 hour gap right here. So there's another target up there. Maybe there's a 50-minute gap just like yesterday. 50 minutes. Nah, I got taken out already. So 50 minutes. Well, 50 minutes and 1 hour. Sitting right here. Untapped. It's looking weird though. I'm gonna take out previous daily high here. If we get a retracement, I'll go for that high right here. But I kind of wanted ES to take this slow first, but somehow we got edge. And it seems like we're not correlating with ES right now. See how ES is way more bearish than NQ. NQ is trying to go past the previous daily high. So we need to wait. Like if we take this, we can make an SMT, like a bullish SMT, and probably take this high right here. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for right now. We didn't even make a fair value gap. Okay, we took that at lows on ES. So there's an SMT right there. Or maybe something like that, I guess. No, ish. See how uncorrelated it is right now? Like we're just dumping on ES. It's probably gonna take London highs. I mean London lows. Yeah, that's London lows. Pretty sure it's London lows. Let me see, just to make sure. So 6716. Yeah. If this SMT holds, we can probably take this high right here. I'm probably not gonna get an entry. Because it's the only 1 hour, 1 minute gap I can see. We inverse this 50-minute gap. I guess I shouldn't really care about this gap anymore. We have another 15-minute gap right here. It can still be, we can tap into. It already got tapped by the way, but still a nice support level. One minute gap. See if there's 2 minutes. There's 2 minute gap right here. 3 minutes? No, nothing. Yeah, I don't trust the PA right now due to the fact that they're both uncorrelated technically. Yeah. Like once I see a more correlated movement, that's when I would enter. Like we haven't even taken data lows on NQ yet. Lovely. Hopefully we don't chop. Wanna get some moves today. $9.38. Oh, this is actually a good target here. Equalize. We'll see what happens though. I don't want to target that, but like I said, this is not looking great. Equal highs or maybe the data, previous day high. That would be what? If we enter here. Stop us below here, something. How much is that? 34.2. Because I'm trying to risk 500 today. I will risk 500. Just trying to see how much I need. 12, 14, 7? 7 contracts? Or am I taking now? Should you? I'll get a better confirmation. Maybe go a little lower here. It's almost, we also have this 5-minute closure here. So we technically have an SMT right here. I guess I can put the stop loss at the SMT somehow. Just target the previous day high. I got entry somewhere here. 33.50. It's probably 8 contracts. But I don't like the way it's moving right now. It's not even looking good right now. I'll just wait then. The PA is pretty trash. I guess we're gonna keep dumping. Yes, looks like it wanna dump all the way to London lows. Okay, 5 minutes. Yeah, see how it is. It's not pretty, just barcode. Gonna inverse this 2 minute gap. 3 minute gap. To 942. 5 minutes somewhere here. We have this 5 minute gap. Maybe I'd rate this 15 minute. We tapped into it as well. Yeah, like ES is just dumping slowly. NQ is trying to, I don't know, do something. I want to see some type of correlation before I enter. Yeah. 42, so 3 minutes. So we inverse a 3 minute gap. See what I mean? Like, what the fuck? Boom. Oh yeah, the 5 minute gap here. Forget about the 3 minute. Let's stick with the 5 minute gaps. And we tapped into it. Wait for 2 more minutes. We'll see what happens in the next 2 minutes. We inverse this little 1 minute gap. Yeah, I don't know. It's just wicking and wicking. I guess until we get out of this range right here, and this one here, and this one, we really don't know where it's gonna go. And I don't like trading range. It's just a low probability of getting a W on that scenario, but some people play range pretty well. Support resistance, I guess. I don't do that. 5 minutes, almost 5 minutes. This looks pretty strong though. Who knows? Look at the drags on. Yeah, I don't know. It's bullshit, bro. We committed is closing. We tapped into it. I'd like to see a retrace here. If we do get one. Yeah, take the equal highs here. I really didn't get an entry, to be honest. Like, there's really no entry. I wanted to target that data. I mean, equal highs. Yeah, I don't know where I would have entered off of this to target this previous daily high. Like, what the fuck? I guess I'll just let it run technically we're still pretty far away from US. So this would be my next target if we keep going up. But if we do go down, we do have a bunch of targets right here. Strong 15-minute close. I want to get a 5-minute gap that we can play off to. Still have, 4 hours. 4 hour, 4 hour. I guess if we close above this 1 hour gap, technically we can, because we're still in the 1 hour gap as well. I mean, we can technically just rush past here. We do close the 1 hour gap here, so I'll see that. It's not a target or anything, but more of a confirmation. Okay, so let's do red. Some random color. We took previous daily highs. Form a 1-minute gap here. But we're pretty far away from the next draw. So I'm not gonna go off the 1-minute gap. Unless we have some nice displacement candles. Which I'm not seeing to the upside. We're seeing some to the downside now. It seems like, I guess you could say that we made an SMT now because we took previous daily highs. ES did not, so there's a chance that we could reverse, but like I said, I'm waiting for more confirmation. Okay. But this looks like a strong ass daily candle right here. Not gonna lie. We inverse this 1-minute gap. I'm not gonna target this data lows, to be honest with you. Like, I don't like the way the chart is set up right now. If it's gonna get taken out, then it is what it is. I'll target these ones here. So this one that we target, or the one up here. So I'll probably wait for the 4-hour closure because I'm not sure as to what's gonna happen now. We've been going up and down the last 20 minutes, so no idea. Technically, since we make an SFT, you could probably do this. Break even right here or something. Target this. Let's see. I'm gonna take data lows now. Yeah, we're definitely taking it. Okay. ES gonna take London lows. I kind of want to see NQ follow through after. We're edging it or what? It's a 5-minute. That's a 5-minute one. Yeah, this is ugly as hell. Just barcode. Eh. Boring as hell, bro. What the hell is going on? Like, there's no clear trend right now. Just take something. Took data. Take data loads, man. Maybe because we have this OFC member speaking. I don't know if it's still on. I don't even know who Waller is. I guess they're still, still live, I guess. Let's see. Oh. Yeah, he's still on the thing. He's still going live, so maybe that's what's causing this price action. He is still on the mic. Huh. This could easily be a no trade day if we keep doing this bullshit. Got inverse. I forgot about that. Inverse. The 1 minute has been inversing a lot. Yeah. See what's going on. I'll show you what's going on. Just boom, 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 boom. Probably gonna go back here. Then go back down again. Jesus. Inverse. The hell? Can't wait for 10 o'clock. We'll see what happens at 10 o'clock. If we somehow make some moves. I want to see a clear trend. Come on. So we started making moves at around 1 o'clock last night. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I'm gonna watch for now. It's 5 minutes. So we got a nice. Huh. No, I'm not gonna take that. Like I said, like look at these candles, man. Okay, back to here. Okay, also, it's almost 10 o'clock. Good, so I'm gonna get right here. Same thing with NQ. I think we're starting to see a little bit of correlation here. 10 o'clock, come on. When is it? Right now. So we did not close above it. So we might be, I don't know, can't tell. 4-hour close, below, inside the gap. 5-minute barcoding, beautiful. Same thing with the 15-minute wicks and wicks, beautiful. Okay, I guess we're back to here. Finally gonna get something. Gonna take London lows, probably. Nothing. We've been holding this 1 minute gap here pretty well. We got these lows stacked around here. SMT. Ugh. Oh my god, bro. Some bullshit, man. Five minutes. Wicks, 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 wicks. Tapped into it again. 3 minutes. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Yeah, we're not forming any fair value gaps at all. This is ridiculous. I mean, we've been making moves the last 4 days, 3 days. So I'm not really mad. I'm not gonna be mad if we don't make any moves today. It's just how the market goes sometimes, I guess. You know. It's 10:07 and we're not. Haven't made any move yet. We're in this range right now, I guess. Ranging. And we keep SMTing with ES. Get back at it.
レベルを確認
See something here now. Take London lows, maybe? No? Please do not make another SMT. Just... go past below there, bro. Come on. No! Okay, another SMT. We'll see what happens. If it holds, it will go back up here again. If not, we can try and flush down here. But I don't really know what's going on. Maybe if we invert this 5-minute gap. Whoop, okay, finally took data lows. We're like 50 points away from London lows. But London lows is gonna get taken. So another SMT right there. Maybe got edge. I don't really care, like, as long as it's correlating. It's starting to look like it's starting to correlate now. But yeah. Like, we can still take London lows as long as the both pairs are correlating. So okay, we have like, how many minutes I have? 47 minutes before I decide to let this be. I wanna see a nice inversion here. Getting rid of this here. So it doesn't matter now. We still have this 15-minute gap holding us. And this one here. So we have two 15-minute gap. If I'm going to target London low, Asia lows, I'm going to have to wait for the 15-minute gap to close below these gaps here. So we have one more in here around midnight open. So yeah, but it seems like we are respecting the 5-minute gap, and we edged ES technically. Now it's going back up again. Jesus. Unless we're just, let's see if this respects the 1-minute gap that we formed. No, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, nothing, nothing. Guess we're back into it again. We're back in the range. So this guy, bye bye. We're still holding this 1-minute gap. It's been holding pretty well, however. So we'll see. But like I said, we haven't made any significant higher time frame gaps since 9:30. Like no 5 minute gaps since 9:30. It's just been barcodes. We're making barcodes technically here, forming a lot of barcodes. This 5 minute gap has been holding pretty well. But like I said, we're just in a range. I don't want to trade this range right here. I want to see something like this. Oh, wait, what the hell? Something like this. See here? Boom, boom. Trend. That's what I want to see. Not this bullshit. Okay. Got this 1 minute gap here. 1 minute gap as well. Kind of want to see a continuation towards this untapped 1 hour gap. It's also a 50-minute untapped gap, so that is a pretty strong draw for sure. Yeah. Like I said, we're not seeing anything right now. Okay, back here again.
芸人
Inverse is 1 minute gap. Yep. Formed. Might see something here. We'll see. Just wanna get it done. We formed something here. 3 minute gap. We tapped into. Please give me a 5 minute gap. Something, bro. Do. Okay, we'll wait for more. Oh shit, not that one. Inverse that bitch. Yes, hasn't done anything yet.
Untapped.
Oh, we're seeing something now. Again. No, we're not seeing anything. We're not seeing shit. It's just been going up and down for almost an hour. We almost in versus 3 minute gap. Oh my god, bro. There's something here. Oh wait, we have a 5 minute gap actually. Please hold. $50 so bad, bro. What's going on now? Nothing. Tentative, tentative. I wanna, hopefully they don't cancel CPI. That'd be a beautiful day. What if I targeted that low here? Some 1 to 1 somewhere. Would have been bullshit though. Would have been a break-even trade. Yeah. I guess we're gonna hold this gap here. I'll keep it there for now. 5-minute gap. We held it pretty well. But technically I don't have any targets up here except this here. So I'm not gonna enter off of that. It's either I go like this, which would be a stupid entry. 80-point stop loss. That would be crazy. Maybe something like this. 1 to 1. But yeah, I don't want to trade in this range. I'm gonna get out of this range, at least somewhere here. If we ever get out of the range before 11 o'clock, we have 30 more minutes. Something like that. Boom, 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 boom. Or vice versa, you know. Boom, 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 boom. A clear trend is what I'm looking for. Okay, let's do this again. Next episode.
待たせたな。中任選抜第一の試験。試験官の森野いびきだ。大人げなお前ら。試験前に好き勝手やってんじゃねえぞこら。いきなり失格にされてえか。
すみません。なんせ初めての受験で舞い上がってまして。
つい。
I haven't even addressed this one here. 15 minute close, same thing. We held this gap. Okay, we held this 15-minute gap here. Yeah, so we might go higher now. We'll see. Should I just do it 1 to 1? I'll target that. I want another 5-minute close, a strong one, and then I might enter somewhere here, but who knows. Break even point. Where would my break even point be? Nowhere. Inverse. Looking to over this somehow. Only please close. 6, 18, 9. 3 points, I guess?
Order filled.
I think. Maybe one more.
Order filled.
Okay, we'll target this. I really don't know where to go break even. There's no break even point here. Okay, back to watching.
いい機会だ言っておく試験官の許可なく対戦や争いはありえないまた許可が出たとしても相手を死に至らしめるような行為は許されん俺様に逆らうような豚どもは
Gotta go pee so bad. We've been here for almost, yeah, we've been here for an hour now. So I'm putting my stop loss below that 5-minute gap. We'll see. Alright, I gotta go actually. I gotta watch my babe girl. So I mean, yeah, we'll let this trade play out however it plays out. So I mean, we broke out the range, so hopefully we just keep going back up now. So that'll be it for today. I'll post a video, and I guess I'll just put it in the description whether I lost or not, so, or if I go break even at some point. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.